President William Ruto Easya NUKUENDEEYA KWOSA Matambya ala MAILITE KUKILYA Kenya OTONDU WITHIITWE AYIKA Ruto Easya wende KWOSA Matambya matona kusya matunda kwa mituki NDEOSA Matambya ala meugithiwa maithukuma mu Kenya kwa ivinda ya sana kumina thina kwa kutua ane na musini wa ilovindini wa umano ula watwaigwa na withikitwe ni amwe matongo yevo munini wake Rigathi Gachagua vamwe na maminista kauta livo tiumbanitwe ni wa mwandikiti wa mavo Angelina Mose.
Ainena kavindani kala wavingwa kikalo kimwanya na maofisa nene serikalini Musumbi Ruto ni wawetakanani kana mwenenthi avikie kuthukumwa na kutoa isyanthi ya Kenya na ambe ni mosete Matambya momu aimathingililia atongoi a KWOSA Matambya ala MAILITE kumuthukuma mwenenthi.
We've had to make very important decisions. Sometimes not very easy, sometimes not very pleasant. Very difficult decisions to be able to take the country forward. But the underlying principle here is we must always, and I want to tell you as members of this team, we must always make the right decision, however difficult it may be. You can never go wrong by making the right decision. You cannot afford to be casual. You cannot afford to make convenient decisions because of what you think. It will earn you, it will give you some little mileage here and there. We must always focus on making the right decisions, and we must always focus on the greater good of the Republic of Kenya, and we must never be short-termist.
Ruto NUKUENDEEYA enenthi ma Kenya nimeelekeelie methomo kula kwi serikali na kana atongoi a ni MAILITE uthukuma wia wo undu vailite kwikithia kana mwenenthi ni wakwata maendeleo na uthukumi ula wailite.
This is part of changing the way we do government business. We did agree that the mandate given to us by the people of Kenya is a sacred mandate. It is a mandate not just given to us by the people of Kenya, but also given to us, more importantly, by God. And therefore, we have a responsibility to God and men to do our best, the utmost, to discharge our responsibilities, to transform our country, and to change the lives of millions of Kenyans, because we have been entrusted with the management of their affairs.
Yukomana ina ila ikutho ivikitwe ni maminista andiki atinika na maofisa anene serikalini ni ya kunenansia maundu meo kwenye utongoi vala Musumbi Ruto wa mathingililia kwithiwa na ngwata nionekana kuanisya mawatho ma serikali kwi enenthi.
We are one team. The success of each and every one of us is the success of all of us. The failure of each of us is the failure of our team. And therefore, we must never allow any one of us to fail, because in that failure is our collective loss. We must always support one another to make sure that we succeed. PSS must support their CSS. CSS must support their PSS.
Kavindani ka munini wa Musumbi Rigathi Gachagua ni wakulia atongoi a kukwata mbao Musumbi Ruto nthini wa utongoi wake kwikithia kana ni wianisya mawatho make vatena ECA.
Your Excellency, let me assure you of our loyalty and commitment and our availability at all times to help you through, in recognition that you have a 5-year contract with the people of Kenya that will be subject to renewal on good performance and termination if there is non-performance. From where I sit, I I'm 100% sure that you have no intention whatsoever to have your contract terminated. You intend to have it renewed, and you expect us to help you to fulfill your mandate with the people of Kenya by putting the best foot forward, performing with diligence and commitment, and always being available to serve the people of Kenya and helping you in that endeavor.
Gilivoti ya vilingi wa mauvoni tawa Angelina Mose.